Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Grayson County in north central Texas until 7 a.m. At 2:57 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.